What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We're still on the road to 1,000. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, I know y'all seen that title. Y'all seen that thumbnail. I know why y'all are here, but I'm excited for this one, man. If you saw my video the other day, man, of the white and gun pair, I was just talking about how much I wanted these joints, and I like these joints. But I'm also sad at the exact same time because I took that L, man. I got a size 6. Got a size 6, man. I really wanted that personal on these, man. I was just talking about these. And my local skate shop, Select, dropped them first come, first serve. I saw it 7 minutes after they posted, man. If you're from Houston, and if you know about Select first come, first serve, man, they're located like right in the middle of the city in Midtown area. And if you're not right on it, man, you're almost guaranteed to not get your size or pretty much not get a pair, man. For this one, I was literally the very last person to get a pair. I walked in, it was 7 people in line, 8 pairs left. I got the last one, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. I got SneakerCon next week. Hopefully, I can go ahead and get a swap for these joints, man. They've been popping up at skate shops everywhere. I'm moving too fast, man. They have been popping up at skate shops everywhere, though. We got the purple Nike SB box, man. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, ISO, wolf gray, white, and wolf gray. Man, I want these joints in my size, bro. Now, Select hasn't released a black pair yet. I've been seeing a lot of skate shops releasing the white and the black at the same time, but they released white maybe like 2 weeks ago. They released this gray pair. That had to be like, what's today, Sunday? That had to be like Friday. They released the gray pair, like Friday, like around right before 6 o'clock, man. They were gone within 25, 30 minutes. I know I got there 22 minutes after they were posted. And I ended up with a freaking size 6, man. So I grabbed it for y'all. I grabbed it for me to try to trade, man. Let's get into the shoe. Here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low, gray gum, wolf gray. Got a bunch of different nicknames, man, but this is an orange label, gray gum, Nike SB Dunk Low, bro. This joint is clean. This joint is clean, man. This joint is clean. That's all I can keep saying, bro, is that this joint is clean to me, bro. I know it's plain. I know it's not doing too much. But the gray nubuck on this joint, that white check, like I told y'all last time on that white pair, I love a gum bottom, man. Has that orange, white, and gray on the tag. The lace tips has that orange on there, man, that says Nike SB. Insole is gray with the orange and white Nike SB tag, man. Orange label, has the orange label on the inside. These are clean, man. Has that gum outsole, solid gum with the gray foam exposed. I like these joints, man. I like them. I like them. Has that white check on the outside, like I said earlier. On the back, it has the white heel tab with the gray Nike stitched in, man. Gray nubuck all the way around. Super low nubuck. Nothing crazy with any like back and forth brush action on these, but they're clean, man. They're clean. They're clean. Now, like I said on the video of the white gun pair, man, this was my favorite, and then black, and then the white pair. This one and the black pair are both like a low nubuck type of material. The white pair was leather. I don't really ever see anyone do like a white suede or white nubuck on a shoe. But anytime SB has done a color lately, they've been using a lot of suedes and a lot of nubuck. But this one they went with nubuck. It has like a cloth quilted-ish material on that tongue, man. Not the nylon tongue that you usually see on Dunks and SBs, but this is a clean pair, man. This is a clean pair. Now, I'm not sure why this pair is a orange label, but the white and the black pair, they didn't do orange label on, but they really do look very, very, very similar. Same price point and everything, but this one is an actual orange label. And now, like I said about that white pair, that one was kind of a retro of the pair from 2018 or 2019. That was an actual orange label. But these are clean, man. That's all I can keep saying, bro, is that these are clean. I love this gray pair a lot, man. I wish I could have got there 10 minutes sooner. I wish I would have saw that IG story post sooner, man. I would have been there, got my 11.5, 12, or at least an 11, so it'll be an easier swap. People tend to not want to swap a super duper small 6 for those big sizes because one, they sell more, and sometimes the big sizes prices are a lot different. But since I paid retail for these, I wouldn't mind adding 30, 40, maybe 50 bucks at the max to get these, and I'll still be only paying 160 for them. So we'll see how that goes at SneakerCon, or I'll check my local Facebook groups, see if I can find who grabbed that size 12 locally. Now, SBs haven't been doing any releases on the sneakers app lately, unless it was like a big collab or something, but these general SB joints tend to not get on sneakers app. They usually are skate shop only, so they are usually kind of limited, man. It's not a bunch of skate shops in Houston. We have Select, and we have Southside Skate Shop in Houston. Dallas has Magnolia. Austin has No Comply, which did first come first serve this morning. I started to drive out there, but I didn't really have time to get out there as early as I wanted to. And by the looks of it, when I saw the Instagram post at around 10 this morning, they opened at 11. It was already like 40 or 50 people in line. So if I didn't get there super early or late last night, then I kind of wouldn't have stood a chance to get a pair. And that would have been a wasted 3-hour drive. We're really 6 hours round trip driving down there to try to grab a pair. So I'll take the L on that one so far, bro. I know a couple of my Houston homies went out there and grabbed pairs, so shout out to them for being dedicated and getting out there, having that time. But I couldn't make it this time. But next time I see it, Austin, I'll be there soon for sure. Now, this pair did come with an extra set of white laces. I would definitely be prone to putting in those white laces on these. It definitely would just hit. Still has that orange lace tip on there with Nike SB. But I definitely would throw the white laces in these joints, man. I think it will look really good. Just to offset that gray and just contrast a little bit. And it'll hit with that white midsole and that white swoosh, and it just offsets it. I like the orange hit on the tongue and on the shoelaces, and it just really hits well with that gum bottom. Let me know how you guys are feeling about that, man. Am I alone on this, or does that orange and that gum bottom work really well together? Now, as I said earlier, man, retail on these joints was 110 bucks, 120 if you add tax in Texas. As far as resale, these joints aren't on StockX yet. I'm not sure why that is, but they are on GOAT. GOAT has prices going from between 300 to 400 depending on the size. But the bids aren't really there just yet, with it being such a new release and a lot of shops just getting their pairs in this week and this past weekend. But you definitely can see these probably dropping to around that $200 range. Just like the white pair is like right around 200, the black pair is around 180-ish. These probably would stay a little bit higher, seeing that they're orange label, probably a little more limited, and these joints are just a lot cleaner, man. I like the gray pair. The resale on these probably be between 200 and 250. They'll probably drop once everybody releases their pairs and everybody moves them quickly. But after a while, I think prices will settle in for around 200 to 250 for just the immediate like 3-month future. I see them sitting right around that price. So if this is a shoe that you're looking to get, man, I say just pay attention to your apps and your eBays and your local sneaker groups. Just keep your eye on the price, man, and see if you can find them at that low price that you're willing to spend for them. Me personally, if I didn't get this pair to have as trade bait or just to put a dent in that resale price, I'll probably spend about 200 bucks on these, man. With Dunks being so cheap, I don't have a problem spending 180 to 200 bucks on a good pair of SBs or a good pair of Nike Dunks, man. Now, as far as quality on these joints, man, that gray nubuck looks really good. That swoosh is fairly tumble, man. Some really soft leather on that swoosh. No crazy glue stains. I mean, you can see some because it's nubuck soft cloth material. So you're gonna see where they bonded the midsole and the upper, but no crazy flaws, man. Everything is solid on these joints, man. I love this gray and orange. I can't stop talking about how clean these joints are, bro. I don't know if I'm hyping it or what, man. So y'all let me know down below, man. Are these joints clean or is it just me, bro? Would you rock these? Would you pay resale on them, or is it retail or bust? Or are you not looking for them at all, man? Y'all leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. But overall, man, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Let me know your honest opinions on these. To me, they're super clean. They're not crazy hyped or anything like that, but they will sell out quick at every store that they release at. Just let me know your opinions right here down below, man. And I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and a quick review, man. We got the gray gum, orange label Nike SBs. Until next time on the next video, man. Peace.